So I hope you guys enjoyed last week's mission. So today's mission, I think, is the most creative one out of the three. Not for everyone, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's start our second mission. Start off by undoing the stitches from the pockets, the back pocket, detach the back piece from the front piece by undoing the waistband, and also undo the stitches from the side and between the legs. Basically, you want to unstitch like almost everything and really separate the front piece to the back piece. Oh, also don't forget the crotch area. It's gonna be especially important for our project today. I'll be honest, this whole project was an improvisation, so the initial style of the skirt did change a lot along the process. The reason why we did not unstitch the entire waistband is to still be able to wear the skirt on yourself and adjust the pieces as desired. So here you just want to play around with the fabric and recreate this wrapping effect. Cut the front piece to the desired length. Now you're going to adjust the fit of the waist, and I kept the logo because I actually used it in the first mission, which was the bucket hat. So if you're interested, make sure to watch it. So I'm cutting off the excess fabric. So once the waistband is unstitched, the waistband will open up. Those pieces are like the slices of bread of a sandwich, with the pants in between acting as the ham. I'm saying this because to reconstruct the new waistband, we will have to put back the ham in between the slices of bread. Honestly, this is just my way of thinking, but if it makes it confusing for you, then go ahead and just watch the video. It should be clear enough. Once the piece is sandwiched, only sew about like 1 inch of the back. Overlay the back crotch piece to create a smooth surface. We don't want a bumpy butt. I tried it on and I chose what length I wanted for the back part. What's good about having the front and the back piece attached to the waistband is that you can try on the skirt and adjust as desired and see what works and what doesn't. At first I wanted the back right piece to overlay the front piece. I later on changed my mind because I thought that it looked unnatural, so the front piece will now overlap the back piece to create like a wrapping effect as well. So this will become like a double tie wrap design. It sounds a bit confusing, but you're gonna see at the end. Now I'm cutting off the excess fabric from the back crotch. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. So you can see that it will wrap twice. The left piece will overlap the front piece and the front piece will overlap the back right piece. I kept it simple for the left side because there was already too much going on the right side. I'm adjusting the length of the entire skirt to make it all equal. Remember when I unstitched the watch pocket? Well, now I have to replace it with another fabric. I've decided to go for the other side of the jeans so it creates like a contrast. Don't forget to hem all the necessary pieces like this side. Sew the rest of the waistband onto the skirt. Now onto the front part, I'm gonna cut 2 long strips of fabric to create the ties. I'm sewing the right sides together and reversing the fabric. However, it is really hard with jeans, so at the end I actually just folded the fabric 3 times and sewed it all together. Pin the straps in place and try on the skirt first just to see if everything falls and ties nicely. You can choose to hem the bottom, but I opted for a distressed look, so here I'm just pulling out some threads. If you want to know how I distress my jeans, I did film a video a while back, but I'm still using the same technique, so feel free to watch it. Alright, so this is the last addition and the last step. I'm just creating a pocket out of the 2 back pockets that I unstitched at the beginning, and I'm just gonna stitch it like on the right side. Voila, and this is how you tie it. Alright, mission 2 is completed. This one is probably the most creative one out of the 3. So So next week's mission is a very cute little accessory that will make every single one of your outfit look so cute and put together. So if you don't want to miss out on that one, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at kelly.bng, because I will be posting some behind the scenes and some little hints for the next mission. Alright, I'll see you guys on your third mission. Bye!